The interaction with new material problem, and it reads, Vanessa is saving money for an upcoming concert. She currently has $70 and her parents will give her an allowance of $15 per week for keeping her room clean and doing her chores. Which of the expressions could be used to model the amount of money she has saved after W weeks? Explain. We have like the criteria for success. It says read and annotate for key information. So I read the problem, so I'm just going to go back and look through the key information that's given. So right here, that $70, I'm just going to underline and annotate that $70. So I'm going to put it above. She has $70 right now. So has $70. And then it says that right here, her parents will give her an allowance of $15 per week. So I'm just going to underline that, $15 per week. Just gonna say this is a plus 15 will give her. And then this plus 15 per week, we can change this to mean that's gonna be 15, because remember they said W is week, it's gonna be 15W. Okay? So off the bat, we know that um the amount of money that she's gonna have after W is week is gonna be the $70 that she has plus the $15 per week that her parents will give her for her allowance. So we have 70 plus 15W. So let's look over here, what's going on over here. So over here we have 70W plus 15. That's not it. We have 85 plus 15W plus 1. All right, could be it. 70 plus 15 times W plus 1. And then 55 plus 15W plus 1. Okay, so for these, we're just going to go through them just to make sure that, we have the correct answer. So off the back, I'm just going to cross off the first one because for that one, they switched it around. So this can never be that one. So I'm going to cross off that first one. So we know that this that we have over here with the 70 plus, that's not an option over there. So not over there. So we have to see what's going on. So for this one, we're going to try to solve it algebraically, and then we're going to prove it numerically. All right. So for these, we have to try to make these into 15W. So let's try the first one. And let's use, simple algebra. So algae. These we the 85 plus the 15, you 0, and then that's gonna be 2. So we have 100 plus 15 plus 15W. So definitely that is not an option right here. So I'm gonna put because I want to this so we can have space to work. I plus 15W is not an option. So we're just going to go back and cross it off. Okay. Let me zoom it in so you guys can see it. Off. Okay. Not an option. The next one we have plus 15 times W plus do. We're distributing the 15 inside the parentheses. So this is 70 plus 15W plus 15 e plus 15. This is going to give us, that's 50, and then that is going to be 85 plus 15. For 70 plus 15W, that's up top. So this also is not a correct answer. So I'm going to go ahead and cross it off all the answers that we have. Okay. The next that we have right there is the last one that we have to check. So it's that 55 plus 15 times W plus 1. Distributing the 15 inside the parentheses. So this is 55 plus 15W plus 15, right? This becomes 5 is 10. And then you have that 1 over, and that's going to be your 70 plus 15W. And it checks, okay? Because we're looking for that 70 plus 15W, okay? So that one definitely checks. One, as I said, we have to make sure that it actually checks. So numerically, we're going to see how this one looks like after like 1 week, just numerically, just to make sure it checks. So numerically, we have to make sure that this actually matches up what the scenario is saying. So when weeks is equal to 0, we had $70, right? When the first week, after the first week, you're just adding 15 to that 70, you have 85, right? So I'm just going to plug 0 in this equation that we said check right here, and just to prove that it matches. Okay? So in that equation, we said it's going to be 55 plus 15. Well, it's 0 plus 1 in this one, right? So 0 plus 1 is 1, right? So it's 55 plus 15, 70. Okay? So it has to be 85. So we're going to plug 1 in. So it checks for 0. So it's plus 15 times week is 1 in this one. So we're substituting the 1 in for W. 2, 15 times 30 plus 55. 55 plus 30, that's 85. Okay, so this check. So after week 1, she should have $85. And our equation that we said right here definitely checks. Okay, so the key point are the criteria for success, sorry, that you guys should be using on these problems are read and annotate the problem, um, read and annotate the key for key information. So reading the problem, annotated the problem for the key information. That's what I did. Define what each component of the given expression represents in context. Interpret the entire expression and its meaning given the interpretation of the individual components. Okay, so that's what we've been doing. Right here, you have the 55. In this case, 55 is here. And then in this case, you needed it to be that 70. So 70 would be the original amount that she has. And then the 15 right there is the $15 per week that her parents is giving her for cleaning her room. Okay. Once again, we can go over like what the key point is in these types of problem. And then the key point is that components of expressions are used to interpret meanings of the entire expression. So different parts of the expression can be used to interpret the meaning of the entire expression. So in this case, we had that expression 70 plus 15W, and we're able to create that same expression from another expression. Go ahead and do the independent practice right now. If you have any questions, be sure to ask me.